far is far?
פסחים פרק ט' משנה ב'. איזוהי דרך רחוקה? What is considered a long way? A long way for what? הפותרת מן הפסח הראשון, that if you're that far away, you don't have to bring the Pesach sacrifice. So it says, מן המודיעים ולחוץ, from a place called מודיעים, and to outside, and further on. בגמרא מבואר, and the Gemara it explains, שמודיעים, מודיעים היא עיר הרחוקה מירושלים, it is a city that the distance between it and ירושלים 15 מיל, 15 מיל, והוא שיעור מהלך אדם בהליכה בינונית בימי ניסן. And this is the distance that a person would walk in the days of Nisan, when the nights and the days are equal. The nights and days are a distance that a person would walk in one day.
Oh, that's in one day, not in a month.
No, in one day. 15 miles.
15 miles.
Yeah, 15 miles.
15 מיל. זה לא מייל, זה מיל.
Yeah, מיל and mile, I think it's about the same thing.
בן אדם לא יכול ללכת ביום אחד 15 מייל.
Why? What are you talking about?
יכול?
Easy. What are you talking about? Going from your house to shul 15 times in one day?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's nothing. What do you mean? 15 times?
Sure.
Oh, well, it's easy. What do you mean?
Yeah, it could be
Yeah.
my son.
Yeah. So we're talking about from when it's a 12-hour day, מהנס החמה עד חצות היום, ומחצות היום עד שקיעת החמה. It's even half a day. No, it's the whole day. No, it's half a day. It's half a day. Yeah, you can do that also. Easy. Yeah. Think about it. A person walks around, I would say around 3 miles an hour.
I was thinking 7 kilometers an hour. That's what I learned one time in the Torah.
Okay, so
7 kilometers לשעה, משהו כזה.
let's say 4 miles an hour you can walk. Let's say 3 miles an hour. A normal person, even he walks slow, it's 3 miles an hour. In 2 hours it's 6 miles. In 4 hours it's 12 miles. In 5 hours it's 15 miles. It's not that much. הילקח, מי שבתחילת הזמן של שחת הפסח, מן המודיעים ולחוץ. So if in the morning you are from מודיעים, in other words, 5 hours away from ירושלים, that's it, you're good, you don't have to, זהו. ולחוץ, הרי זה דרך רחוקה, this is considered to be a far away place, הפותרת אותו מן הפסח, and therefore you can push it away to the second פסח. לפי שאינו יכול לבוא למקדש בשעת השחיטה, because even if you're going to start now, you're not going to make it on time, because they're going to start slaughtering at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you're probably not going to make it. שזמן שחילת הפסח הוא מחצות היום עד שקיעת החמה. That like we learned, slaughtering of the Pesach sacrifice is from midday until the sunset. ויש מפרשים, the Ardozu says, שאם היה ב-14 בניסן, that if on the 14th of Nisan the person was בשעת הנץ החמה, when the sun peaked, חוץ למודיעים, he was outside of מודיעים, הרי הוא בדרך רחוקה, it's considered to be a far away place. כלומר, שמה שאמרו בגמרא, איזוהי דרך רחוקה, that when it says in the Gemara, which one is considered to be far away, כל שאין יכול להיכנס בשעת שחיטה. It doesn't mean that you can make it into the azara. If you can make it into the azara into 5 o'clock, you can still shecht in 5 o'clock, but you already considered דרך רחוקה, because at the time that the first guy shechts, you cannot be there. That makes it already דרך רחוקה. Not if you can't make it. It means you can make it, if you can make it at 12:05, yeah, you still consider דרך רחוקה. If you won't be able to make it at to the shchita time.
Not to achila.
No. Shchita is, you can do the shchita all the way to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And you can make it at 12:05 already. And people are going to be shochting until 5:30. It's still considered דרך רחוקה. From the first time that you're allowed to shecht, if you can't make it there, then it's considered דרך רחוקה. That's the Rambam.
Opening for a lot of foil.
So מפרש הרמב"ם, wait, כל שאינו יכול להיכנס בתחילת שעת השחיטה. It says as long, if you cannot be there in the beginning of the shchita, it says you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. וכמידתה לכל רוח, and then you can measure around the circle around ירושלים to every distance, this 15 miles. כמידת הדרך הזו שבין ירושלים למודיעים, like the distance between ירושלים למודיעים, היינו 15 מיל ויותר, from 15 מיל and onwards נקראת דרך רחוקה לכל צד של ירושלים. And it's not only to the distance of the din, obviously it's a 15-mile radius. This is דברי רבי עקיבא. This is the words of רבי עקיבא. הסובר שדרך רחוקה אמורה בתורה, when it says a far away place that says in the Torah, היינו רחוקה ממש, he's talking about distance. שרחוקה היא כדי מהלך חצי יום מבית המקדש. It is a distance of half a day of walking from the temple. רבי אליעזר אומר, רבי אליעזר says, that's not the definition of דרך רחוקה. Says, you think דרך רחוקה is distance? That's not דרך רחוקה. What's דרך רחוקה? רבי אליעזר אומר, מאסקופת האזהרה ולחוץ. דרך רחוקה means that if you're outside of the courtyard, you can be right outside the courtyard. It's considered דרך רחוקה. So how's that דרך רחוקה? מי שהיה בזמן שחיטת הפסח חוץ לעזרה, it says anybody who was at the time of שחיטת הפסח outside of the עזרה, אף על פי שהיה בתוך ירושלים, even though he was inside ירושלים, אלא שלא יכול היה להגיע לעזרה בזמן שחיטת הפסח, מחמת איזה עיכוב שהוא, but he couldn't get to it because whatever reason, כגון, for example, שחלה, he was sick, או שהיה טרוד וכדומה, or he was busy, he had a business deal to do. He was, he had other things in his mind right now. דינו כמי שהיה בדרך רחוקה. It is considered to be דרך רחוקה. In other words, you were walking into the, according to Rabbi Eliezer, listen to that. You're walking with your sheep to the temple, and all of a sudden you meet a guy, you just start chatting, and then it's the time to shech the Pesach, and you're not in the Azara, says don't worry, bring it next month. Bring it next month, according to Rabbi Eliezer. That's the Rechoka. You intending to go, you're on the way. You just started to talk to this guy, and then now it's the time to shchita. Don't worry about it. Amar Rabbi Yossi. Rabbi Yossi listens to what Rabbi Eliezer says. So he says, I can now understand something. Lefichach nakud al hey. When it says derech rechoka, there's a nekuda on the hey. Why? Halaot hey shel tevat rechoka. On the word hey in the Torah, of the word of rechoka, bapasuk or bederech rechoka, or in a faraway place, yeshna nekuda. There's an extra dot. Not the gesh, on top. Sometimes there's on top. Make it special. You have lidrosh. Now you have lidrosh את המילה. וכל הנקודה באה למעט משמעות המילה. And every dot comes to take out to exclude something from the word. The rule is like this. You can't, if the word that is underneath, if the word is, for example, 5 letters. So if the majority of the letters have nekudot, it comes to include something. The halacha it comes to include. If the minority of the letters have nekudot, it comes to exclude the halacha. So it says since it's only one nekuda on the hay and it's a word of 4 letters, we're going to exclude something. What are we going to exclude? והרי בא כאן, so what did he come to say over here? לומר לא מפני שרחוקה ודאי. It comes to teach you not really רחוקה. אלא לא שאדם מבדרך רחוקה ממש. Not that he is 15 miles away. אלא מאסקופת העזרה ולחוץ. רחוקה means he's outside of the boundaries of the בית המקדש. כמו שביארנו לעיל, like we explained above, רש"י מביא דרוש, Rashi brings the drush, שההי מרמזת, it says, why you have it on the hay? Because the hay hints על 5 אמות. It says it's less than, it hints on the 5 אמות. שאפילו לא היה אלא 5 אמות, that even if you were only 5 feet away, 5 אמות מאסקופת העזרה, from the אסקופת העזרה, בסוף שעת הקרבת הפסח. Over here Rashi says at the end of the time you couldn't have made it. הרי הוא נידון כמי שהיה בדרך רחוקה. We're going to think about him like somebody was in a far away place. ובירושלמי דורשים, ירושלמי says, שהנקודה באה להוציא את ההי שלא לקרות רחוקה אלא רחוק. ירושלמי says, take the hay out, says דרך רחוק. כלומר, איש רחוק. Which means, it's not talking about the way, the distance, it's talking about the man. A man that his brain is somewhere else. He's far away. Either he's doing his business now and he forgot, or he's running to the casino and he forgot, or whatever the case is.
Which doesn't make sense to me, but...
That's what the Yerushalmi says. Ish rachok. It's not talking about a distance, it's talking about the man. מחמת טרדותיו, because he's got other things on his mind, או חולשתו, he's sick, he's weak, he cannot go, ולא דרך רחוקה. ברעם בת, רבי עקיבא סובר, שמי שהיה מונומלאים מלפנים, but רבי עקיבא thinks all these nice drushim are very, very nice, but it means a distance. It means from Modi'im 15 miles. If you can be within 15 miles, you should go do it. ולא יכול היה להגיע לעזרה, and he couldn't make it to the עזרה, דינו כדין נאנס. Then he's like a נאנס. ולא כדין מישהו בדרך רחוקה. And it's not considered somebody who's בדרך רחוקה. What's the difference? The difference is you're going to get karet if you're not going to bring the second, or you're not going to get karet if you're not going to bring the second. That's the whole difference.
Right. Din anus doesn't have a karet.
Din anus, no, din anus would have a karet. Rachok wouldn't have a karet. We said the Torah gave permission to two people to give the second. Rachok v'tameh. All the other ones, so all the other ones...
As anus, if he doesn't do the second Pesach,
he's karet. The Rechoka, if he doesn't do second Pesach, is not karet.
That's why he said that it's anus.
Yeah.
So to be careful in the mitzvah.
The next one. Yeah. והלכה כרבי עקיבא. And our halacha is like Rabbi Akiva, that if you're within 15 miles, you have to make it there.